In this video, I'll guide you through how to add people in Basecamp. Whether you're starting a new project or expanding your team, adding people to your Basecamp project is a straightforward process. Let's dive right in. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to basecamp.com. If you haven't already logged in, go ahead and enter your credentials to access your account. Basecamp is a fantastic tool for project management, and bringing your team on board is crucial for effective collaboration. Once you're logged in, you'll see your dashboard displaying all your current projects. Next, locate the project to which you want to add people. You'll find a list of your projects on the dashboard. Click on the project name to open it. This is where all the magic happens, from task assignments to team discussions. Ensuring the right people are part of this project is essential for keeping everything on track. Once inside the project, look to the top left corner of the screen. You'll see a button labeled Invite People. Click on this button to start the process of adding new members to your project. This feature is designed to be user-friendly, ensuring you can easily expand your team whenever necessary. Now, you'll be prompted to type in the email address of the person you want to add. It's important to double-check the email addresses for accuracy to ensure that invitations are sent to the right individuals. Adding the correct people to your project facilitates seamless communication and collaboration, allowing your project to move forward smoothly. After you've entered all the email addresses, the next step is to click on the button that says Send Invites. This button is usually located at the bottom of the email input section. By clicking this, you're sending out invitations to join your project. The recipients will receive an email, prompting them to accept your invitation and become part of your Basecamp project. And there you have it. You've successfully added people to your Basecamp project. This simple process helps ensure that everyone who needs to be involved has access to the project's resources and updates. Remember, keeping your team informed and engaged is key to successful project management. If you encounter any issues during this process, double-check that the email addresses are correctly entered and ensure that the recipients check their spam or junk mail folders if they don't see the invitation right away. Adding people to your project is a fundamental step in leveraging Basecamp's full potential for collaboration and productivity. I hope this guide was helpful. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to explore other resources or reach out for support. Thanks for watching and happy project managing.